This may be the easiest brown smoky eyes you will ever come across. Hey guys, this is Chandni and let's dig into the video. First, after applying concealer with my fingers, I am dusting loose powder from Kay Beauty very lightly. For kajal, I am using a brown kajal from Lakme Iconic in my upper and lower lash line and also to tight line. It's okay to apply unevenly. We will smudge it anyway. For smudging, I am using a short pencil brush in my upper and lower lash area. Then it should look something like this. After that, I took a light peachy brown eyeshadow from Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette and placing it on the brown kohl part with the same brush. And just above it with a shader brush, I am placing a bright orangey brown eyeshadow and then with a clean fluffy blending brush, blending the orangey shade. I'm mainly blending it up to my crease area. Then placing some more eyeshadow gradually and blending it again. I'm using the same shade in my lower lash area but with a smaller brush this time. And then using the same blending brush in the lower lash line once again. For highlighting brow bone, I am using a matte white eyeshadow and also for my inner corners. I'm applying a little more kajal close to my lash line and to tight line once again. Then, after curling, I will use a lengthening mascara. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in my upper and lower lashes. and then curling it again after drying for an extra oomph. This looks great in itself. You can call it done. But I have added falsies with this, which is up to personal preference. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please subscribe, like and share, and leave your comments so that I can make more videos like this. Okay, bye.